Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. Today we're gonna be taking a look at the NDS Downspout adapter. This is gonna be a quick video because really this is a very simple part, but drainage is really important. So just as a reminder, you wanna get that water off your roof away from your house. And a lot of builder type homes and older homes really just have a downspout down, and sometimes they just have like 3 inches on an elbow, and that water comes off the roof and then it can go right kind of down into your basement. So we got to get that water away from the house. And you know what this adapter is going to do is it's going to convert the downspout to 4-inch PVC. So this particular model is the part number, what is it right there? 9P09, and if you can see, it's a 3-inch by 4 by 4. So what that means is it's 3 inches tall by 4 inches wide. So that would be the size for your downspout. And then this side over here is, you know, 4 inch round. Got to make something interesting here. So that's it. This is a 3 by 4 3 by 4 by 4 downspout adapter that you will use to convert your downspout to PVC drainage line that will run away from your house, your building, your property, etc. I did find a quick YouTube video that just kind of illustrates this in real time. There is there is a picture of the downspout adapter, and if you're looking for advice or tips on how to do this, just search YouTube. There's plenty of stuff out here. But yeah, let's take another angle look at this thing. I'll move the keyboard out of the way. Here it is. Pretty straightforward. Not a lot going on, not a lot we can talk about. It is a simple fitting to convert and connect your downspout to your 4-inch PVC drainage pipe. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions about this or need other parts, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can contact us by phone, chat, email, and you can even text message our corporate number. So thanks for watching. Happy sprinkling, and we'll catch you on the next video.